Hello. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. What is your name? My name is Dino. How are you today?
Happy.
Happy. Very good. To make high five. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Now, what is it? It's a
Yeah.
sweater.
Yeah.
These are
Yeah.
socks.
Duck.
These are pants.
Wow.
It's a
Yeah.
jacket.
Yeah.
It's a shirt.
Yeah.
Okay, now teacher Nick is looking for the sweater. Is this the sweater? Is this
No.
the sweater?
No.
Yes, it is. Now, teacher Nick is looking for the socks. Are these the socks? No. Very good socks. Okay, now, where is the sweater? Where's the sweater? Dino, where's the sweater? Very good sweater. How about the jacket? Dino, jacket. Where's the jacket? Dino, jacket. 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 Where are the socks? Dino. Okay, let's sing. Shirt and sweater. Dino. Shirt. Oh, candy. Uh-oh. Sticker. Dino. Shirt and sweater. Shirt and sweater. Sock. Dino. Sock. Jacket, pants. Jacket, pants. They are clothes. Okay, what is it? It's a tree. It's ba- it's a it's a bird. It's a it's a feather. It's a it's a nest. Okay, Dino, look here, my dear. Dino, where is the bird? Dino, where is the bird? Where is the bird? Where's the bird? Dino, where is the bird? Bird. Bird. Where's the tree? What is this? It's a tree. It's a tree. Okay. Okay, now let's have the story come along. Say play. 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 Say play. Sing. Sing. Dance. Okay, that's the end of our test. Goodbye, Dino. Goodbye.